All right, this thing's insane. RZR just dropped the Pro R Factory. $140,000 side-by-side that's race ready. You can literally buy it and race it right out of the box. No mods needed. This isn't just another off-road toy. This is a full-blown desert race machine built to dominate Baja, score, and best in the desert. Let's break it down. I don't usually cover side-by-sides, but when I saw this, I had to talk about it. This is a factory-built UTV that costs as much as a Porsche 911, and it's ready to race right off the showroom floor. That's wild. This is powered by a ProStar Fury 2.0 liter engine, and it's pushing about 225 to 255 horsepower depending on your setup. This thing's built to survive the desert, with rear-mounted radiator and transmission, oil cooler, and dual high-powered fans to keep this from overheating mid-race. Has a race-spec transmission that's built for acceleration and durability. That means forged steel internals and custom gear ratios that puts the power down immediately. And Polaris just didn't slap on a few upgrades and call it a day. This thing's 100% race legal straight from the factory. The chassis is made from one-piece high-strength steel, and this is fully compliant with SCORE and best in the desert racing rules. And for suspension, you get Fox 3.0 live valve shocks, plus you get the DYNAMIX semi-active suspension. It's basically race spec that adapts in real time so you don't get bounced around. To handle those brutal off-road races, you also get Alcon racing brakes, floating rotors, race calibrated calipers, and in-cab adjustable brake system, so you can fine-tune your brakes on the fly. Inside is all business. A full MoTeC system with driver data logging, digital controls, and military spec wiring harnesses, pre-wired for radios, GPS, and extra race tech. All right, so what's the price tag on this turnkey race-ready RZR? A cool $139,999. Yeah, you could probably buy a fully loaded Ford Raptor R for that kind of money. But for serious off-road racers, this is a ready-to-go championship contender, straight from the factory. So what do you guys think of the RZR Pro R Factory worth $140,000? Would you rather just build your own for that kind of price? Let me know in the comments. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video.